Hey friends, what's up? I know I have been missing, but this phone is having issues. It's overheating, and so it keeps stopping the recording. So that's the issue right now. But anyhow, I have a grocery haul for you. The neighbor is getting their lawn done, so there's noise, so I'm trying to hide from the noise. So I'm sitting down on the ground, and they just turned the walker off, so I said okay, let me just do the intro real quick. So let's go see what I got for this is gonna be for the month of January. For the most part, we might do some more shopping, but it's not gonna be anything much. So for this haul, I actually have two different hauls. So this is the first one because I don't have enough counter space to lay everything out. So I have some steak seasoning, some fish seasoning, some pepper, hubby loves this one, some pickled mackerel fillet, jerk bacon, some pig's tail, some pork chops, a nice slab of beef, some ground beef, some chicken ham, some okras, and this dairy-free pizza for Babe, black beans and red peas and vanilla chai, I like this one, some drink mix for the kids, soursop for Babe, and then I have a bunch of other things down here in this bag, cleaning stuff, and this is not for the baby, some insect spray and some unmentionables. And then this case of tissue. So this haul came up to almost $24,000, yes, and the next one came up to around 27, but this one was done in Progressive and the other one was done at a wholesale. So now this is the second haul. So I have some sweet potatoes, Irish potatoes, tomatoes, corned beef, mackerel Milo tea, fish and meat sauce, and guys, you see a lot of Alaska branded stuff here. I don't know, this haul, this was hubby's. He went out for this, so he just picked up the stuff that was on the list. All right, so I have this wheat flour here, some crackers over here, and we bought meat. So there's fish, and there are 3 of these bags of chicken. I have one of them out. There's frankfurters, a huge bag, and there's a little bit of oxtail right there. So I packed away most of the things off camera, and I'm gonna be mixing the whole wheat flour with the white flour. So we buy these huge bags of rice, sugar, and flour, and so we don't have to buy them often. So I don't like just the white flour, so I like to buy wheat flour and mix it. So I mix it in a container. So now I'm all done mixing this up. Just want to level it a little bit so that the scoop is not touching the flour. Then I'm gonna wipe the container off and get that out of the way and start putting up some other stuff. So Milo is for the kids, which they're not here right now, so but I'm gonna put this in the container and put it away. just so I can get the things off the counter and out of the way. This container is actually for cookies, but I like to keep the cream crackers in there because it keeps them so nice and crisp. The rest of the video, guys, of course, is self-explanatory. You'll see what I'm putting into the containers. If there's anything in them like this old one, I'll throw what's in there and put the new one in first, and then put the old stuff on top, so that will get used up first. For the most part, the rest of the video is going to be self-explanatory, so I'm gonna stop talking now, and then I'll come back if there's something that you might not know what's going on and I need to explain. So now that I've got everything into their containers, I'm gonna be putting them away. Now I'm putting away the large bag of flour as well as the bag of sugar. There's a bag of rice under there as well, which I didn't take out this time around because I didn't need to refill the sugar container. And then I'm gonna just put these crackers here. I hadn't shown you the large container with the crackers because I didn't plan on putting any in there. But then as I'm checking the drawer and realizing that this cracker can't hold in there and it can't stay in the bag, I'm gonna go ahead and just put them in this container. So first I have to find something to take the crackers out, and that is hubby's calabash. I want to get them out so I can put them on top since they've been in there from before. So you can see why I didn't plan on putting any crackers in this container, because it was practically halfway full. But since this one can't fit in the drawer or in the bag under the counter, I have to put it in there. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for spending 10 minutes of your life with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.